Picture the enchanting aroma of freshly brewed coffee filling the air, enveloping you in a cozy embrace. Now visualize that perfect moment when it meets an indulgent dessert. This combination can transform a simple coffee break into a magical experience. Imagine a bold, dark espresso served next to a slice of rich, velvety chocolate cake. The coffee's intense bitterness creates a striking contrast with the cake's sugary sweetness, resulting in a flavor explosion that feels divine. Now, think of a frothy, creamy latte paired with a golden, flaky croissant, just out of the oven. The latte's smooth texture harmonizes with the buttery layers of the pastry, turning each bite and sip into a luxurious treat that dances delightfully on your palate. For something refreshing, envision a bright pour-over coffee accompanied by a vibrant slice of zesty lemon tart. The tart's citrusy kick enhances the coffee's brightness, leaving you feeling invigorated and completely satisfied. What's your ultimate coffee and dessert pairing? Share your favorites and let your taste buds embark on this delightful adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering discoveries. Elevate your coffee moments and relish every exquisite sip. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.